The International Court of Justice finished hearing arguments in the offshore territorial dispute between Kenya and Somalia last week. Somalia's representatives spelled out its rationale in 3 days of very detailed testimony. Kenya submitted written arguments but declined to show up at The Hague to make oral arguments. Friday, the Kenyan Ministry of Foreign Affairs released a fresh statement with new arguments against the ICJ deciding the disagreement. Among its new objections, Nairobi accuses Somalia of hostile intentions and unnamed international institutions of sowing conflict. Some excerpts from the Foreign Ministry statement. Kenya should not have been dragged to the court by Somalia merely because of the neighbor's resurgent expansionist agenda. The speed at which the matter was rushed before the court and the players involved in this dispute pointed to a well-orchestrated strategy of pitting the countries against each other in total disregard to the precarious security situation in the region. Influential third parties are intent on using instability in Somalia to advance predatory commercial interests with little regard to peace and security in the region. In withdrawing from oral arguments, Kenya complained of an ethnic Somali justice on the court, Abdul Kawi Yusuf. Nairobi also said it put together a new legal team before the COVID-19 epidemic hit and didn't have time to strategize. During last week's presentation, Somalia's legal team pointed out that Kenya had filed a 300-page brief on March 5th. They also showed off the simplicity of the opposing arguments and the similarity of their positions on borders. Most legal experts expect a judgment within 4 to 6 months favoring Somalia. Kenya's attempt to bring regional politics into the equation is helped by Somalia's cutting of diplomatic relations in December of last year. Mogadishu accused Nairobi of interfering in its internal politics. While the latest Kenyan letter says it will continue to push for a diplomatic solution, it recognizes Somalia will have to normalize relations before any negotiation could take place. We will continue to update you on the offshore dispute between Somalia and Kenya.